If you are a photographer or someone with thousands of photos, organizing them is harder than taking them. Before we even talk about services, here's something important. Most photo libraries are full of duplicates and similar images. Using Picture Echo on Windows or Mac, you can clean those first and instantly reduce your workload. Because people typically rely on professional digitization services, photo organizing experts, cloud-based solutions, but each comes with a different cost, timelines, and limitations. So let's now compare trusted photo organizing companies in Denver and Boulder, starting with Chaos to Memories. They're best known for full-service photo organizing and storytelling. Their services include sorting printed photos, digitization, custom photo books, and legacy projects. The customers are happy with the highly personalized service and emotional story-driven approach. Next up is Scan My Photos, who are known for bulk photo scanning. Their services include high-volume scanning and fast turnaround, and they also accept mailed photo boxes. Their photo boxes start at $160. Next, we have Ever Present. They're best known for premium digitization and organization. Their services include photo scanning, media conversion, and structured digital delivery. The customers are really happy with their high quality output and reliable service. Next up is Legacy Box, which is best known for full physical to digital conversion. The services include printed photos, slides, tapes, and legacy media, and they have a very easy, simple ship from home workflow. Their legacy box starts from $25. The customers love their convenient process and handling of mixed media collections. Lastly, we have Save a Memory, best known for personalized photo organizing and digitization. The services include sorting printed photo collections, photo scanning and digitization, and memory organization system. The customers love their friendly hands-on approach and strong attention to sentimental value. Before you pay for scanning, upload to cloud, or organize manually, there's a smarter step. Use Picture Echo. Picture Echo helps you detect duplicates and similar photos visually, clean thousands of images in minutes, and reduce storage costs before uploading. It works on Windows and Mac. It's also highly rated on Trustpilot, making it a trusted solution for modern photo cleanup. So a professional should be cleaning first, then organizing, and then storing.